Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over the sidestep defense from the wedge guard position. Now we'll start off just looking at the footwork here. From our standing base position, I'm just going to put my hands on my hips. For this sidestep, I'm simply moving my feet, sidestepping to get out of the way of an attack. This attack can be a shove, it can be a grab, it can be a strike, it can be a kick. This works against any of those. We're simply getting ourselves off the line of attack. However, I want to be sure, as with a shuffle step, I'm keeping my feet close to the floor, I'm keeping my knees bent. I'm not taking big lifts of my feet that way. I'm just doing a controlled slide of my feet out of the way. Now, also, if I am moving to my right, I want my right foot to move first. This way, right and then left. If I move the left foot first, in the middle of the movement, I wind up here with my legs crossed, which is a very awkward position to be in. If I get pushed or struck or kicked or grabbed there, I'm in a very weak position and I'm going to go off balance. So I don't want to wind up doing this kind of thing. Instead, right, left. So again, I'm moving right. My right foot moves first, right and left. If I'm moving to my left, the left foot's going to move first. Left and then right. Again, these don't have to be big steps, left and right. If it misses by this much, it missed. That's all we're working on is a miss. Missing by this much is no more of a miss than missing by this much. Left and then right. Now, if I switch feet, now I have my left foot out in front. If I'm moving to my right foot still goes first. Right and then left. Right and then left. If I'm moving left, my left foot still goes first. Left and then right. Again, left and then right. Now, we're just going to add the wedge guard into this. Now we've got the footwork. Wedge guard is up here to protect my face and head as well. I'm not relying just on my feet here. Let's move right, right, left. And again, right, left. Once more, right, left. I'm shifting the other direction. If I'm moving to my left, then it's left, right. Left, right. Left, right. If you look at this from the side, and here, right, left. And again, right, left. Again, if I'm moving off to my left, left, right. Left, right. The critical skill here is what you're doing with your feet. This arm position for your wedge guard, you're pretty familiar with at this point. We're not doing anything very demanding up here with our arms. What's going on with our feet, the footwork here, is actually just a little more demanding than it looks at first. Which foot I move first is really important here. Again, I don't want to get caught doing this kind of thing. Quite literally tripping over my own feet. And that kind of thing can happen. So we're training ourselves not to do that. By training ourselves to do this. All right, now let's start working with this against an actual attack. Ms. Hill, could I have your assistance, please? All right, if you could go left foot forward into your wedge guard. Now what we're going to do here, as the attacker, I'm going to take the blocker thrust straight in toward the knot on Miss Hill's belt. I'm going right for her center of mass. And she's going to sidestep off to her left. Good. 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 All right. Now she's going to move right. The right foot is going to move first. Good. 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 And good. All right, Ms. Hill, if I could have you up here. Now let's have a look at this from a different angle. Again, you go left foot out in front. Again, I'm thrusting straight forward here. We're not going up here head high. We're going down here for the center of the body. This is a harder area to defend. She has to move her feet to get that out of the way. All right, moving left, please. Go. Good. Good. All right, to your right, please. Good. 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 Very good. Thank you, Ms. Hill. All right, that is the sidestep defense from the wedge guard position. Again, take some time to practice with the footwork. Don't try to go real quickly at first. And if I'm moving right, right. If I'm moving left, left, and then right. Give yourself some time to work with that. Gradually take it faster, and then start adding in that wedge guard. So again, that is the sidestep defense from the wedge guard. Thank you very much for joining me.